Welcome. Now we are discussing Daily Grammar Mistakes Part 2. Mistake 1. I did a mistake. Wrong. I did a mistake. Correct. I made a mistake. Tip. Use make for creating or producing something. Mistake 2. Explain me. Wrong. Can you explain me this? Correct. Can you explain this to me? Tip. Explain needs to plus someone. Mistake 3. Discuss about. Wrong. We discussed about the issue. Correct. We discussed the issue. Tip. Discuss already includes about. Quick test. Which is correct? A. We discussed about the plan. B. We discussed the plan. Spot on. The answer is B. Mistake 4. Say me. Wrong. She said me the answer. Correct. She told me the answer. Tip. Tell plus person. Say no direct person. Mistake 5. Advices. Wrong. He gave me some advices. Correct. He gave me some advice. Tip. Advice is uncountable, so don't add s. Mistake 6. I am agree. Wrong. I am agree with you. Correct. I agree with you. Tip. Agree is a verb, not an adjective, so don't use am. Quick test. Which is correct? A. I am agree with you. B. I agree with you. Marvelous. The answer is B. Mistake 7. Open the light. Wrong. Open the light, please. Correct. Turn on the light, please. Tip. Use turn on or turn off for electricity devices. Mistake 8. Very delicious. Wrong. This cake is very delicious. Correct. This cake is delicious. Tip. Strong adjectives don't need very. Mistake 9. More better. Wrong. This is more better. Correct. This is better. Tip. Avoid double comparison. Quick test. Which is correct? A. This car is more better. B. This car is better. Perfect. The answer is B. Mistake 10. Look forward to see. Wrong. I look forward to see you. Correct. I look forward to seeing you. Tip. Look forward to, after to, preposition use, verb ing. Final quick test. Look forward to. Which is correct? A. I look forward to see you. B. I look forward to seeing you. Well done. The answer is B. How many did you get right? Comment your score and tell me if you're ready for part 3.